I'm back with my part 2 video with my Toshiba model SA-3500. It's a vintage receiver. So I'm filming the second video is because there's a problem with this receiver. There's no sound going out from the receiver to the speaker. And looking anywhere, everywhere where the problem, with this receiver, I smelled the transformer. There's no smell, so I was looking everywhere and trying to find the problem with this receiver because there is no sound. Even here in the knobs, I'm trying to adjust everything. Maybe there's no it's not on the right track. Maybe I did not put it on the source or tape or phono, stuff like that. And even here in the speakers, I tried A, B, and A plus B, and there's no sound. So I went back inside here and I keep looking around and looking down, and then all of a sudden I saw those two fuses down there, which is this two here, and you can see it's really dead, so it blew, and I said might be the problem, so I decided to take those fuses out, and then went to the store and get a new one, and I slapped the new one in, and now I hope it's gonna work, so we will see. And right now we're gonna turn this thing on and then turn the volume up. There it is, guys. It's alive again. So I'm happy that this receiver is back to life again and it's working again, because I really like this receiver here. It's made in Japan, it's vintage, and you cannot find this receiver anywhere in the store out there. Maybe eBay, but that's it. So finally it's working again. I'm really happy. Very nice. So let's try to change the station. Sounds amazing, guys. Amazing sound. Vintage. So there it is. It's back to life and it's working again, and I'm really happy that he's back. Yeah, so thank God it's only the fuse and nothing else. So amazing again, and thanks for the fuses. You can hear the sound of this amazing sound, this skinny guy. And you see the adapter there. It's a big adapter, so you can throw good power. Yeah. There it is, guys, working again. And I've been using this for a while, and thank God it's working again.
With thousands of audio titles and more evidence. Employers who post a job in different companies.
Subs on our son. Turns out.
So the signal is not that great. I believe I need to hire the antenna. Sounds amazing, guys. That is why I love the vintage receivers, because they sound good. Using small speaker right there, guys. So guys, it's running again, it's back to life, and that's it. So it's running again. All right, so enjoy your stereos, guys, and take it easy and take care. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.